Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a feeder out of a bucket and a feed pan. So we're making a chicken feeder, and it's going to be an auto feeder, so you can hold 5 gallons worth of feed, which is approximately 25 to 30 pounds. Most feeders are 6 pounds to 10 pounds, and this will just cut down on you having to fill it up all the time, especially in a brooder. So this feed pan, you get these, they're rubber, they don't ever break, they last forever. I love these things. They're like $10 at Rural King or Tractor Supply, or you could probably buy them in bulk somewhere, but I just buy them 1 or 2 at a time usually. What we're going to do is we're going to drill a hole in here, but we're going to make a nice big hole so this feed will come out fast and even. And we want it to be able to fill up to the top of this almost. That way the chickens, they can kind of get in, not get in here, but be able to just kind of get down and eat. Because if it's too shallow, the holes are too low to the bottom, it'd be very hard for them to get down here because this thing's so tall. I got a hole saw kit, and this is what I'm going to use. I'm using the biggest one, it's 4.5. And these are nice to have just because the variety of sizes. And so these are about $10, and buckets are, you know, between 2 and 5. Now, if you have a restaurant nearby, you can always go and ask them for their buckets. A lot of times they'll have buckets just available. They throw them away, or they just, you know, they just give them away. These are pickle buckets, and these are from a restaurant that I went and talked to the owner and told him I have a farm, and he was happy to give me some buckets. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a little mark here to see where the top line is, and I don't want my hole to go above that, because the higher the hole is, the more it's going to spill out, and the less, you know, you're not going to use the bottom. And that's what we're going to look like, something like that. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and clean up these edges so none of this stuff gets in their feed. I'm just going to use a little piece of sandpaper to knock it down, and then we're going to rinse this thing out. Kind of run it along the edges. It'll knock off any of those burrs. Just to keep them from jumping in the feed.